How to fix is not turning on Samsung A17. Let's start the video. First of all, check your charger. After check your charger, so you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume down button. At the time, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.